Hi, I'm Aidan at Leveler, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to collect marketing opt-ins and enrich member data using your own custom landing pages. Okie dokie, we've just logged into our Leveler dashboard. We're going to hand it over to the left-hand side here and click on landing page. When you click here, it's going to open up two things, visitors and editor. By default, we're always landing on the visitors page. This is a dashboard which gives you a bunch of data and analytics to understand your landing page performance a little bit better. By default, we've got this big bar chart here that shows you your landing page visitors. So we know how many people are coming from an external source to your landing page. We can then change this to views or unique views over here. We can change it into a line chart if we think it looks nicer, and we can also download this for a report. Of course, we can always select the time frame here. There's some preset ranges, or you can use your custom date picker if you want to center it around a promotional campaign that you ran to better understand the performance of those campaigns. To just break down, a page view is whenever someone loads or reloads a page. A unique page view is when every different browser or person reloads that page. So here we can see there were 6 unique browsers, and that means that someone loaded the page a couple more times. Visitors are when people come from an external source, and countries reached, well, speaks for itself. It's the amount of countries that your landing page reached. Here we can then see which countries these are. We see here we've got United Kingdom and we've got the Netherlands. Okay, so those are all the metrics we can track for our landing page. Let's move on to the fun bit, the exciting bit, and head on over to our editor. Okay, so here we are in the editor. On the right-hand side is all of your editing options. So we're going to go in here and we're going to customize our landing page. We can customize the title, background, different text, the logo image, the join button, different cards, and the fonts on here. So let's go and have a look. Let's just go into the title. I'm just going to call this the Leveler video. We can change how, if it's uppercase or lowercase. We can change if it's bold or not. There's a couple of different options here. So we go into the background, we can choose an image here. I've got one ready already, and you can also add some background blur and change that as you wish in case you have an image where there's a bit much going on and the text isn't super legible. We can go to the different text. So here we have the title again at the top. We can change the button title, so like enter Discord. We can change it to whatever we want. We also have some text if you want people to join the mailing list, and so on. Something that's actually very cool in this texting. So let's say I'm typing in here, view our privacy policy. If you then go into this privacy policy link and you type in a website, it will highlight that privacy policy there in that text automatically. It will identify where it says privacy policy in your text. Okay, so here we have primary color. This is then the color of all the text on here. So, I mean, going with black is probably a bad idea. I'm going to go, or let's make it really, really ugly and go with a luminescent yellow. We can then change the accent color, so we can change here the background text fields to whatever color we prefer, and that will also change the color of the text on the button. We have some advanced options, so we can choose actually to disable the title text. Usually I would keep this on so people know exactly what this is and it stands out. But let's say you want to go real minimal, you can disable that if you want to. You can enable or disable whether or not you want to collect the newsletter opt-ins, and then you can change a few of the different fields. So let's say we also want people's name, we can add that. If we want people's phone number, we can add that. Country, city, date of birth, and we can also ask if people want to opt in for personalization. Let's say you have multiple mailing lists. We can tick this, and separated by lines, you can add multiple mailing lists. So let's say I then click this, it will then ask me which mailing list I would like to see updates for. If you just want general opt-in, you can disable that, and when people tick it, they won't be prompted with anything else. We can upload a logo. So when we do that here, we upload it, and then you can have some editing options. So I can change the size, and I can move it around, and I can put it where I want to put it. And that's pretty much it. We've set up a landing page just like that, really quick and easy to do. Now we can send this landing page to new members, or we can use it in promotional campaigns, whether it's in newsletters or Instagram stories. And through here, people will sign up, they will get the link to your Discord, they will join your Discord, but at the same time, you collect some more information about these users and potentially get some marketing opt-ins. Of course, if you have any questions about this feature, or you would like us to help you get these landing pages set up, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Always happy to help. If you also think that anything is missing from these landing page builders or could be improved, feel free to let us know, as we're continuously working on this to make it better for you.